What is the S&P 500? The S&P 500 is a stock index that tracks the share prices of 500 of the largest public companies in the United States. Formerly known as the Standard & Poor's 500 Composite Stock Price Index and commonly referred to as the S&P 500, it's one of the main tools used to follow the performance of U.S. stocks. When news reports and financial experts talk about what's happening in the stock market, chances are they're referring to the S&P 500. Indexes like the S&P 500 track the prices of a group of securities. They aim to represent performance of a particular market, industry or segment of the economy or even entire national economies. There are indexes that track nearly every asset class and business sector, from the U.S. corporate bond market to futures contracts for palladium. The S&P 500 tracks the prices of large-cap U.S. stocks, or stocks of companies whose total outstanding shares are worth more than $10 billion. By following the S&P 500, you can easily see whether the largest U.S. stocks are gaining or losing value. This is why the S&P 500 is often treated as a proxy for describing the overall health of the stock market or even the U.S. economy. Because it serves as a good stand-in for the overall U.S. stock market, many experts, including the likes of Vanguard founder Jack Bogle and legendary investor Warren Buffett, advocate for average people to invest in S&P 500 index funds. In fact, Buffett even left instructions for 90% of his estate to be invested in S&P 500 funds upon his death. "There's no better than America," he told CNBC's Squawk Box. To invest in an index like the S&P 500, you purchase shares of index mutual funds or ETFs that seek to mimic the performance of the index. S&P 500 index funds and ETFs are among the least expensive fund choices available, and both funds and ETFs provide easy diversification. Buying just one share of an S&P 500 fund provides you with indirect ownership of 500 companies. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. That way you won't miss a single upload.